Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa will give 100% importance to All India Football Federation's Centre of Excellence only after AIFF submits a written proposal. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawardkar, SCG Executive Director Elvis Gomes and Football Development Council Chairman Dr. Rufino Montero are in Delhi to discuss various issues with AIFF in particular. Elvis told Prudent that AIFF has verbally communicated their requirements for Centre of Excellence, which include area for 3 football pitches and peripheral structures. AIFF is expected to give the proposal in the next 2 weeks.
Elvis Gomes is still in Delhi and informed Prudent that the state government has not yet given the nod to AIFF's plans of setting up the Centre of Excellence, but has shown keen interest.
AIFF, we paid first a courtesy visit on the new minister and chairman of Football Development Council.
Okay.
This is the first time, in fact, they told us that official capacity minister of the government of Goa has come to football center, football house. Secondly, when we were discussing issues and we were informing them about our Football Development Council, which is one of its kind in India.
Okay.
The other states have not done similar thing where football is concerned.
Okay.
So that time they made a proposal saying that they are willing to bring a Centre for Excellence in football, which will involve top level training of the national team at all levels.
Okay. So what does
we have been open? We have kept an open mind on that.
Okay.
And let the proposal come in writing, complete proposal, what it is.
Okay, so you all have not received anything in writing, but
no, the offer was made in the course of discussion.
Okay.
So once the proposal comes, we will place it before the government. But we are open to that because we have declared football as the official sport of Goa.
Okay, so nothing about how many stadiums would be required or what kind of infrastructure would be required for that. Nothing on those lines, but just a preliminary thing.
Basically, they will require an area for about 3 football pitches.
Okay.
Back to back. No stadia, nothing of that sort.
Okay.
And some residential facility.
Okay.
That is all they are looking for.
Okay. Have they set any kind of a deadline where they will, where they want it to be completed by, from their point of view, where they see it in operation, anything of that sort?
There have been no deadlines, but they want to do it as early as possible.
Okay.
But until and unless we get it in writing, we cannot comment.
Okay. When do you expect the proposal to be given to you by AIFF?
They said that since we have shown them our openness to go into that, they said they would give it to us within a week or two.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
Goa might have failed to advance to the next stage of the competition, but the visitors to the ongoing basketball nationals have showered the organisers with a lot of praise. Former India captain Pratibha and Lok Sabha MP Kuldeep Bishnoi amongst others have found the atmosphere at the Agnel Ashram to be top class along with fantastic facilities. Meanwhile, the coach of state teams has exposed the lack of seriousness regarding the preparations for the tournament.
It's nice being here and the organization is just very nice here. It's amazing.
Obviously, I'm supporting Haryana because I belong from Haryana, and I really want to congratulate the organizers for the 39th National Basketball Championship. They've done a wonderful job, and my daughter is playing for Haryana Sub-Junior, and we have already qualified for the knockout. And basketball has been very, very close to my heart because my wife was also a national player for Haryana, and now my daughter is also representing Sub-Junior Haryana.
I love the atmosphere here because in our time all this was not there, but hats off to the BFI. They've done an excellent job, and it's amazing to see the spirit out there and the way the kids are playing. It's amazing. I wish all the best to BFI.
Meanwhile, Goa boys and girls failed to impress in the ongoing sub-junior nationals. Coach of Goa team SV Bellary says they were not well prepared for the competition.
Actually, when to be frank, when we know that this tournament is organized by Goa, from that time only you could have been searching for the players and you could have done something then. And most things is very required basic dribbling, passing, footwork, layup shot. These are more important. And during these days, they're conditioning the tactical part rather than technical. So if they don't have technique proper, then we will feel difficult there. Basic techniques required there. So there is little lacking required for the basic techniques. ball handling, dribbling, passing, footwork, all that is required in that thing.
Our reporter from Verna, Savio Dias.
Raw mangoes. Mouth-watering, rich in nutrients and high in prebiotic dietary fiber. Raw mango squash, panna or juice, whatever you may call it, it is one of the best cooling drinks in summer. Watch our series on summer, beat the heat with a panna.
तोरा म्हटले की सगळ्यांच्या तोंडाक रूच सुट्टा ह्या तोरांचे सासव करता लोणचे करता उड्डमेथी करता पण ह्या तोरांचे तुम्ही केन्ना सरबत पिला सो कम विथ मी अँड बीट द हीट इन अ डिफरंट वे तो तुम्ही उकडून
घेतला आणि ते आता सोलपाक पाटो जाऊन शिल्ली असते थोडी करून स्मॅश करतात
हाका पनीर म्हणतात
पनीर
आता हे परत तुम्ही
स्मॅश करपाक जाय कित्याक गुटली आसता तो स्मॅश करून पल्प काडटकच तो मातसो स्ट्रेन करप कारण गुटल्यो बी जाल्ल्यो आसता ते क्लियर जाता
आता 4 वाटे
वाटी तिथे पल्प असते
पन्ना इज रेडी तुम्ही जायते म्हणा ताका स्क्वॉश म्हणा ताका पन्ना म्हणा रॉ मैंगो स्क्वॉश आय विल टेस्ट इट एंड सी हाउ इट इज डोंट वांट टू से एवरीथिंग प्रिपेयर एट होम टेस्ट इट हाउ इट टेस्ट
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.